Hello friends, my name is Ankita Narkhede. Today's topic is abstraction and encapsulation. Now we will see first abstraction. What is abstraction? Why we use the abstraction in program? Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. For example, phone call, we don't know the internal processing in Java. We use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. Abstraction is process of hiding the implementation details and showing only the functionality. Abstraction refers to the act representing initial features, essential features without including the background details or explanation. Classes used to concept of abstraction and are defined as a list of abstraction attributes such as a size, weight, cost, and method that operate on these attributes. 6 Since classes use the concept of data abstraction, they are known as data type. Abstraction is used to manage complexity, and software developers use abstraction to decompose complex system into smaller components. Advantage of abstraction, it reduces the complexity of viewing the thing, avoid duplication, and increases reusability, helps to increase the security of application or program as only important details are provided to the user. Where can we use abstraction? Abstraction is a general concepts which you can find in the real world as well as in oops language. Any object in the real world, like your coffee machine or classes in your current software project that hide internal details, provide abstraction. Then we will see the encapsulation, the wrapping in bracket hiding, the wrapping hiding wrapping means hiding that up of data and function into a single unit, that is class, in is known as the encapsulation. In short, encapsulation is binding the data with the code that manipulating it. It keep the data and the code safe from external interface. The data contained in the object is not accessible outside of the class. The method which are wrapped around the object can access the data. This method provides interface between object and data program. This insulation of the data from direct access by the program is called the data hiding. Advantage of encapsulation in Java. There are following advantage of encapsulation in Java. There are as follows. First, the encapsulate code is more flexible and easy to change with new requirement. It prevents the other classes to access the private fields. Encapsulation allows modifying implement code without breaking other code that has implemented the code sorry other code that has implemented the code. It keeps the data and codes safe from external inheritance. Thus, encapsulation helps to achieve security. It improves the maintainability of the application. If you don't define this setter method in the class, then The fields can be made read only. If you don't define the greater method in the class, then the field can be made write only. Thank you. This is the explanation of the abstraction and encapsulation.